Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to send BNB from your Coinbase wallet to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned pro, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and avoid common pitfalls. Why bother? Well, Ledger Nano X offers top-notch hardware security, keeping your BNB safe from online threats. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. You'll need to install the BNB app on your device. It's quick and easy. Just go to the Manager tab in Ledger Live, search for BNB, and install it. Once that's done, open the BNB app on your Ledger to get your receiving address. Next, hop over to your Coinbase wallet. Log in with your credentials and navigate to your BNB holdings. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Tap on the BNB you want to send, then select the Send option. Now, here's the crucial part. Copy the receiving address from your Ledger Nano X. Double-check it to avoid any typos. Mistakes here could send your BNB to the wrong place. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, making sure to leave a little extra for network fees. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm it on your Coinbase app. On your Ledger, you'll see a prompt to approve the transaction. Use the device buttons to verify and sign it. Sit tight while the blockchain processes it. This usually takes a few minutes. One quick tip: always use the official apps and double-check network compatibility. BNB typically runs on the BNB Smart Chain. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to Ledger or Coinbase support. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your BNB to your Ledger Nano X. This simple process keeps your crypto secure and under your control. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.